Hello everyone, welcome back to our Own Hope YouTube channel. Today we are going to see few points about e-governance. E-governance is one of the very important topics in understanding government machinery and its important functions. As we all know, e-governance is nothing but electronic governance. What is e-governance? E-governance can be defined as the application of information and communication technology, that is ICT, Information and Communication Technology, for providing government services, exchange of information, transactions, integration of previously existing services, and information portals. What are all the objectives of e-governance? The main objectives of e-governance are: they provide better service delivery to citizens, and also it will be a transparent and accountability. Empowering people through information. It will improve efficiency within government, that is between central state, that is between the center and state government, or between the interstate governments. For example, between the state of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It will improve the interface with business and industry. Types of e-governance. Basically, there are 4 types of e-governance, that is government to government, government to citizen, government to business, and government to employees. What is government to citizens type of e-governance? Interaction between the government and the citizens will take place. This enables citizens to benefit from the efficient delivery of large range of public services. It expands the accessibility and availability of government services and also improves the quality of services. The primary aim of this service is to make the government citizen friendly. The next type is government to business. It enables the business community to interact with the government by using e-governance tools. The main objective is to cut red tapeism, which will save time and reduce operational costs. This will also create a more transparent business environment when dealing with the government. Then, the government to government service type of e-governance. It enables seamless interaction between various government entities. This kind of interaction can be between various departments and agencies within government, or between two governments like the union and state government, or between state governments. The primary aim is to increase efficiency, performance and output. The next type is government to employees type of e-governance. This kind of interaction is between the government and its employees. It will increase the satisfaction level of the employees. What are all the advantages and disadvantages of e-governance? The main advantages of e-governance are: it will provide speed in its process, that is, it will improve delivery and efficiency of government services, improve government interaction with business and industry, citizen empowerment through access to information, more efficient government management, and less corruption will take place. Increased transparency in administration will take place. It will be more convenient for the citizens. The cost reduction will take place and the revenue for the government will be increased. Increased legitimacy of government happens. It flattens the organizational structure. It reduces the paperwork and red tapeism in the administrative process. Therefore, there will be a better planning and coordination between different levels of the government. It will also be useful in restructuring of administration process. On coming to the disadvantages of e-governance, the loss of interpersonal communication will take place, and high setup for the cost and technical difficulties are there. The main drawback is it is not convenient for the illiterate people. In the country like India, there are more number of illiterate people. They cannot access or operate the computers and smartphones. It is very difficult for them to access and understand. And another disadvantage is cybercrime, the leakage of personal information. There is always a risk of private data of citizens stored in government servers which can be stolen at any time. So people may lose confidence in the government's ability to govern the people. Therefore, the above are the some type of advantages and disadvantages and definition and objectives of e-governance. In next lectures, we will see the e-governance in India and also about the Digital India concept. Thank you.